Hey beauties, it's Rika here. So currently we are at Verdant Hotel in Changkat, which is a 4-star hotel here in Kuala Lumpur. If you're looking for a place to unwind or basically a place for you to just do your work but not exactly from home, this is the right place for you.
Verdant Hotel Kuala Lumpur boasts 223 contemporary design rooms outfitted with indigenous Sarawakian elements from the exotic island of Borneo. The hotel is set amidst a bustling area in the enclave of Bukit Bintang, which is renowned for its nighttime entertainment. Premier shopping centers like Pavilion, Star Hill, Lot 10 plus 2 monorail station and the newly completed MRT station and public bus station are conveniently just a stone's throw away. One section of the lobby situates an array of woven baskets made by the oldest indigenous tribes in Borneo, the Penans. Fun fact, all the proceeds from the sale of these baskets will be channeled back to the Penan community. Verdant Hill is the ideal home base to exploring business and leisurely activities in KL's most vibrant commercial and entertainment district. Embrace the superior comfort of their contemporary and chic hotel rooms and suites, fitted with high-speed wireless internet, satellite TV, and superb amenities for your stay in the heart of Kuala Lumpur. All rooms in the 20-story building are equipped with complimentary Wi-Fi. I highly recommend booking a stay at Verdant Hill Hotel via the Flow app. The Flow app allows users to book hotels on an hourly basis, which is both convenient and cost-efficient, which means you can get a room for, let's say, 8 hours or so for a luxurious short staycation with friends or some alone time with yourself. The app features over 43 to 5-star hotels in the Klang Valley area and is ready to revolutionize the hotel industry. Other facilities include 3 spacious function rooms, a 15-meter outdoor swimming pool, gym, business center, coffee house, bar, and cafe. So what are you waiting for? Book your staycation at Verdant Hill Hotel Kuala Lumpur on the Flow app right now.